In water and wastewater management, precision and efficiency are key. That's where AllMax Software steps in. We're dedicated to transforming how facilities operate with innovative solutions for today's demanding environments. Our suite of products, Antero, Operator 10, and Synexus, empowers operators to work smarter, not harder. Run your facility more efficiently with Antero. Predict and prevent equipment downtime, manage assets and work orders effortlessly, and gain complete operational visibility with our built-in reports. Say goodbye to clipboards and spreadsheets. With AllMax's Operator 10, you have complete control of your water data, making trend identification, lab result review, and compliance report creation a breeze. Don't take risks with water pretreatment. AllMax's Synexus pretreatment software eliminates risks and ensures regulatory compliance, so you can effortlessly create accurate reports and manage critical data. AllMax Software offers personalized training, seamless implementation, and ongoing technical support to help you maximize efficiency, maintain compliance, and achieve operational success. Trust AllMax Software to help you manage your entire facility with confidence. Visit allmaxsoftware.com to learn more.